Yes, sir. Sir, just a minute. I will share my slides. This one. Sir, can you? So it is clear for
Yes,
you.
yes, we can see the slides. Yeah.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. Imran Abbas from Dubai. So we will. This is again another master class, and in my opinion, great opportunity for us. For global laparoscopy and robotics. So, in this session, we will try our best to demonstrate inguinal hernia and how can we treat laparoscopically. So we have legends, especially for inguinal hernia repair. So in this session, I will try my best to introduce global laparoscopy and robotics. So highly welcome again. So regarding this global laparoscopy and robotics or GLR, so one thing that is the very important, if you want to do something globally, so then it is very important teamwork, because without teamwork you cannot achieve that target. So GLR is a private limited company. We are group of doctors. Our aim to help our youngsters who need training in minimal invasive surgery. We will also provide services to establish training centers in your country and in your city. So this team is a leader, because without leader you cannot do anything. So Professor Amir Khan is a well-known laparoscopic surgeon from UK. He is our educational director, and under his supervision, so we are going ahead, and thanks God in this short period we achieved a lot, especially regarding this training programs. So again, we have some subgroups in GLR academics, clinics, innovations, and medical tourism. So GLR, we have some journal bodies, board of directors, faculty members, advisory committee, organizing committee, and fellowship selection committee. This is Galaxy. You can see here from all over the world. These are GLR faculty members. You can see from Robert Rutledge till Bruno Delemon. So you can see from all over the world. So these are our, because due to shortage of time I will little speedy. So you can see our faculty members from US, UK, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, Taiwan, Japan, China, Russia, Portugal, India, Pakistan, Iran, Belgium, Austria, Iraq, Lebanon, Jordan, and UAE. So board of directors, yes, always we these guys lead us. So what will be next step? In our GLR directors, we have from China, Turkey, Russia, UK, South Africa, Pakistan, US, from Georgia, from Ghana, Guinea, Nairobi, Iraq, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, and Tanzania. And all of them are well-known person in their own countries, and also they are effective person, especially for training of their youngsters. So we have fellowship program and also selection committee. So most of you know these also big names of surgery. So they select these fellows who deserve this fellowship program. We also have started just this GLR Innovations, and Professor Wah Yang, he's from China. So we are trying our best to provide this, especially laparoscopic related instruments to our so youngsters, also the countries, also the persons who are attached with us with the cheap price and also with best quality. This is our main, and Professor Wayang, he started his work. Regarding training program, yes, so this is our aim. So the GLR training program and also hands-on surgery due to COVID era, so it is not possible now, but we will go ahead for hands-on surgery. So GLR academics, we have started master classes already, and this master class is one of them. hands-on workshop that we will start very soon after this COVID era, and mini and full fellowship programs already we have started. Mentor at site for training program, that is also innovation by Professor Amir Khan and GLR, and hopefully after that I will little detail about this what we do. And also we are going to start GLR online journal and GLR book. So this is COVID era, so online is the best way, and also soon we will be able to start hands-on. And also, what is mentor outside? Always you hear about this, you take a trainer at your home for training, for exercise, but now we are going to trainer at site. So this trainer will go at that special till tehsil level, district level, different cities. So what is the main idea? So because some of like this, so if you are from Tanzania, so you cannot do hands-on in Dubai due to some limitations. But when this trainer will come in Tanzania, in Nairobi, in Uzbekistan, in Azerbaijan, then it will be much easier. Why? Because you are already registered surgeon in your country, and there is no limitation for you in your country to do surgery. So this mentor will be there. So this is the main idea. Then it will be very easy for you to do surgery on your patients, and also that practically hands-on surgery it will be. We have started, we are facilitator, I must mention. We facilitate our youngsters for these fellowship programs. So we have started this already, and minimal invasive surgery, bariatric and gynae, colorectal and urology we are searching. So hopefully very soon we will be able to start. In this we have offered, so this 3 month is mini fellowship, 6 month intermediate, 12-month full, and minimal. In these three, especially bariatric, gynae, already we have started. So GLR fellowship programs, 45 candidates already had applied, and also the process, it take months. Then fellowship committee and interviews, and finalized 12 candidate has been finalized. 2 candidates for Madrid University, 3 candidates for Napoli University, 3 candidates for Taiwan, 3 candidates for Tehran, and 1 for Lebanon. Because already we have signed MOU with these universities, and also now recently with Bangladesh for gynae. So in yes, already Madrid University, Professor Antonio Torres, he will also look after our fellows, and we are in direct contact with him. And so we will pursue our fellowship program. Just we are waiting COVID. Already these selected. So Professor Mario Mozzella from Italy, Professor C.K. Huang from Taiwan. Already these interviews had been finished with fellows. Everything finished now, finalized. Just waiting for visa. Professor Talebpur from Tehran Medical University and Sina Hospital. Also we have finalized, and Professor Haitham from Maqasid Hospital, and Professor Abdul Qayyum, gynecologist from Bangladesh. And also this will be also hands-on surgery for gynecology. Also we have started mini fellowship program, so under supervision of Professor Amir Khan and myself. Also we are online, and also we guide our fellows and Dr. Tansir. So in Kulsum International Hospital, 4 fellows from Pakistan already has been engaged there, and 2 fellow from Gambia, from one of thus they are waiting for visa process, and so they will also soon join this fellowship program that we have already started in Pakistan. So this is 6 weeks mini fellowship for minimal invasive surgery. What is our target? So then our fellow can do safe lap chole, safe hernia, and also related to general surgery related. So basics already 4% has started there, and 2 will join soon from Gambia. We also are active at GLR TV weekly. So interview with a legend of surgery. Now we have started series of mini gastric bypass. We have started with the pioneer of MGB, Professor Robert Rutledge, and this series will end with Professor Carbajo. At the end we will have some obsession. Then next 6 months, this will be series of sleeve gastrectomy, Next 6 months, Roux-en-Y gastric bypass. Next will be metabolic surgeries for low BMI. And the last one will be redo. Till this time, June 2023, all slots has been booked. Every week we have started this, and this is amazing and interesting. Also, we have started GLR clinics. Our first clinic in Nairobi is starting to work. So what is the concept? So now you know this. We have lot of patients from other countries. They travel for their treatment. So what is the concept now? Surgeon or doctor will go there. So no need to come from Nairobi to Dubai. So now surgeon will go from UK, from Pakistan, from different countries to Nairobi. So we have there Dr. Theo. Theo, so he will also, we will also start this telemedicine. So we will visit the patient in Nairobi, and then everything will be ready. Then surgeon will go there. Already we are going to sign MOU with a hospital, that is a private hospital and good hospital in Nairobi, and same we will go ahead in different countries. So also we facilitate GLR tourism. So GLR media already so just mention about we have a GLR Facebook group that is a global laparoscopy and very active. And just now we are live. GLR YouTube channel that is also global laparoscopy. In the name of global laparoscopy, we have a website, telemedicine, and GLR TV that already I have mentioned. So in this era, these are our activities. And also good news for all of my viewers, we have started GLR digital book that will be a new thing and innovation, and you will see very soon so how much it will be helpful for sharing knowledge. So also we have started our membership program. So you also can be member. This is the criteria for specialist in any surgical specialty, associate member, trainee of any surgical specialty. So what will be privilege, priority and discount for master classes, priority for mini and full fellowship program, and also free access to GLR video library and recorded courses. So I am here in Dubai, and anytime welcome Dubai.